Hi, welcome back. This is I have already specified like what are all the precautionary things you have to take for your first job, but still I'll just wanted to put one reminder and what is the importance of having passport. Can I travel on my first job if I don't have any experience in SAP ECC or S4 HANA, any software for that matters? Okay, I'm saying absolutely fantastic decision. Like if you get an opportunity as your first job to travel to on-site, please go take the foreign currency to India. You travel and work. It will give double experience, and you can able to handle the client. You are very close to the client, not like offshore. Offshore, some top people sitting on top of you. You may get like with them you are involving in the call, but they're directly sitting with the top to top people on site coordinators, on-site consultants. It is really very good experience. If you really wanted to cross the border of your country, you require a passport. So many people have different kind of myths like that. So first year itself, we cannot travel to other country. Okay, we cannot directly work with the client. If you go there, we will be in trouble. Don't believe on all these things. Just believe in yourself. Get your passport if you have time now. Okay, if you are not a joined or else you are newly joined, just apply your passport. It can be within 6 months, it can be end of your year, it can be after 5 years, it can be immediately. Anytime the clients will knock your door, come to on-site, work for us. Okay, I'll tell you the story. It's really happened. Just some 10 to 12 years ago, I was in job trials. That day, like, we are the 4 or 5 friends actually working for SAP. Okay. One person suddenly got the job out of all institution, whoever taking coaching and practice. One person, after finishing off our course, within 6%, his name is Mr. Rafi. He is continuously traveling in on-sites only. His first job, he got it in Kenya. Okay, he went to on-site without having any documents, without having an experience. So there, he shared his experience. Probably one day I will pull him here if I get a contact. He's so busy. He's continuously traveling from one country to another country, one country to another country, like that. Such kind of person. He's currently working on transportation module, but actually he trained on SAP SD through Tech Mahindra. He got internal training. His career so bright. So that's why don't underestimate your fate. It might be good for you. Let's have it. And again, your project permits for on-site immediate travel. If you don't have passport on your first job along with your colleagues, it's tough time for you. Okay, this is the importance of the passport. And go on work. If they take you out for job, that is different story, but don't lose the hope. Be a positive sign. On your first job only, travel wherever you want according to the client request. Okay, especially rollout projects, offshore will not happen. After COVID, story changed, but certain times it was like this. Every rollout you have to travel to certain place, you have to give to do the rollout and give the end user training. I have seen people continuously 5 to 6 years on traveling only. Why it happened? They are having passport. First have the passport. It may be useful for your personal trips also. If you have more money, that is different story. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. I feel that it's a very, very good tip. Okay, and if you look at here, I'm holding, these are the different courses. Sales and distribution, this is one of my course, and SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics. If you don't have any experience on S4 HANA, you can give a try on this course. And if you already tried at your institution level or personally, if you really want it, okay, that exposure at real-time level, this is for every module. getting master to write functional specification. You can try this course. Apart from that, various set of courses. Along with that, I have one more course for idocs. You can try these two courses if you have some doubts. You don't want to lose even a single question on your basics also. You can try the shipment learning. Okay. With all these, you can able to what? You can able to crack your dream job. You can land on the corporate where you want it, not by my courses, but follow my YouTube channel and my tips. And if you follow additionally my courses, somewhere subconsciously, some place it might help you to get into the job. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Have a great time. Jai Bharat. All the best, folks.